This is a one-story, two-bed one-bath property in Bacchus listed at $159,900. Famous and beautiful Rucker Pine Mountain Resort Development. Brand new rustic log cabins completely furnished and ready for your family's carefree enjoyment. Inspect model cabin and pick out your own private wooded cabin site. All the resort amenities are just steps away, including your boat slip, beach and pool. Rental management is available to subsidize your non-use periods. Furnishing value is $11,000. Real estate taxes are included in the monthly association fee.